So if I wanted to become a millionaire in 2024, if I lost everything and I had to restart all over again, this is exactly what I would do. Make sure you watch to the end of this video and implement exactly what I teach you. So first things first, you must understand that there are numerous different ways of making money online. Some are more riskier, some are less, right? So in my opinion, I would choose the most safest route, especially if you're watching this and you're broke and you're young, right? So you want to try and take something where you can put your time and energy into, which converts into money, right? What I wouldn't recommend is you have your $1,000 that you saved up from Christmas and your birthday presents, and you try and flip that 1,000 with crypto or trading. I don't recommend that, and I actually have a YouTube video, either it's already come out or it's coming out soon, where I talk about the difference between what I do and crypto and trading and so on, because it's more riskier. So what I do is very, very safe way of making money. So first of all, I would recommend you understanding what is a service-based business if you haven't already. If you understand it, fantastic. So step one is starting a service-based business. Now, within service-based businesses, there are so many different ones that you can do. I'll name a couple. There's different services such as cleaning cars, cleaning houses, cutting hedges, web design. There's like digital stuff, marketing, and so on, right? My recommendation, again, because the title says 2024, right now more than ever, and it's going to carry on, this trend is going to carry on. Everything is, of course, going online, right? Everything is digital. So my recommendation is to focus on providing a service digitally. The beautiful thing with this is you're going to be able to travel the world and work from wherever you want. Do you understand? Whereas if you have a car cleaning company, which is a service that you provide, you're physically bound to that location. Do you understand? So if you're running an online business, fantastic. You can travel whenever and wherever. You can work remotely. So then within service-based businesses, which one is the best one? In my opinion, there's no number one, this is the best thing, because they all are completely different. In my opinion, again, I always look at things like, what's the most simplest one to get into and the least barrier to entry, AKA, if I was to summarize it, which has the highest possibility of you starting and finding success with it. Now, when I say finding success with it, I mean slowly but surely you can start to make money. I'm not saying instantly overnight you make $1 million. That does not exist. If that existed, then fucking everybody would do it, of course. In my opinion, the service-based business that you can get into that has the highest probability of you succeeding is OFM. If you're over the age of 18 years old and you're watching this, you should consider starting an OnlyFans management agency. So again, the title of this video is if I wanted to become a millionaire today, that is the business model that I would do. Now, I have dozens and dozens of videos on this channel that explain exactly what is OFM, but I'll briefly go over it with you. So OnlyFans management is exactly what it sounds like. You are managing OnlyFans models. What that entails is that there's two main parts. One, which is you're helping them with marketing. So you're helping them go viral on social media to gain new followers. Then the second part is converting those followers into paying clients. Now, they can purchase content from this model. This can be voice notes, obviously photos, videos, and so on the platform OnlyFans. Now, you're going to charge for this exclusive content, and you are going to take a percentage of everything that you guys make together. When I say you guys, I'm talking about you and the model. Because you guys are working together, you guys are 50-50. So she creates all the content, you manage her, and you guys promote her, and you help her make more money. And as a business partnership, you guys take 50% each. So if you guys make $10,000 in a month, you get 5, she gets 5. Fantastic. Now, there are so many different nuances within that, which is how do I start, or where do I start? How do I get my first model? How do I outreach to them? Once I got the model, what do I do? How do I onboard her? 100 different questions. So my advice for you is either watch loads of my other YouTube videos that explain exactly how to do that, or click the link down in the description. That will fast track your way to success. But I want to try and give you as many more pieces of advice in this one video whilst you're still watching, okay? So, okay, fantastic. Step 2 is starting that service-based business, which I'd recommend is OFM. Step 3 is you must go all in. When I say all in, that means cutting out all of the distractions and all of the things that are not going to help you, aka things that are going to hinder your chance of success. Things such as, think for yourself. I'm sure I don't have to say these out loud. Things like alcohol, going out, partying, just doing dumb shit. I feel like I don't have to explain this, right? Also, things that are just wasting your time. such as mindlessly scrolling through TikTok or Instagram, going on Tinder and trying to go on like 100 different dates, playing video games. All of these things are clearly not going to help you make more money. So you must cut these things out. And then, sure, once you become a millionaire, you can indulge in these things if you really want to, right? And last but not least, this is very, very, very important. And I'm glad you're still watching this till the end of the video. And this is what separates you and all of the other people who are going to clearly fail, because they can't even hold, what is this video, 5-6 minutes. They can't even keep attention of 5-6 minutes. This is a very, very good sign for you already. The last most important thing is you must reinvest back into yourself. The worst idea that you can have is, I'm going to save my way to $1 million. My friend, this watch on my wrist, I worked it out the other day. If you're making around $2,000 a month and you're somehow able to save all of that $2,000 every single month, which is impossible because everybody has rent to pay and right? But if you're able to save $2,000 per month, it would take you about 76 months to afford one of my watches. My other watch is the same value as well. The idea is to reinvest back into yourself. So whether that is your business, whether that is your mindset, whether that is your setup, your gym, your nutrition, whatever it is, you must reinvest back into yourself. The more money you pay to yourself, for yourself, the faster you're going to be able to earn more money and make faster business improvements. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram @MarcusHustle for more advice. Message me on there and check out the links in the description of this video as well.